You know, like at times people do get stressed, and that's normal with any job, but for the most part, you know, we get to listen to music, laugh and joke around, and it breaks up the day. It makes it go by faster. We have different ethnic groups here, people of different races. So, and it's like a big family, and everybody pretty much gets along for the most part, from the leads on down to the associates. I'm Sam Mull. I've been with CURT 5 years, and I work in the LTL department, freight puller. Okay, what I do as a LTL freight puller is daily orders to ship off to different customers. Make sure the counts are right, make sure the product that they order is going out to the right location. If someone were to apply at CURT, some of the things that I would tell them, I love the benefits here, starting with the medical all the way down to the dental to the vision. It's pretty fair, but this package that they have here, and I also enjoy the fact that they have the 401k. That helps out a lot. From the event parties that we have, Christmas parties, the Halloween dress-up costume contests that we have here, the Thanksgiving dinner that they give us here along with the voucher to get a turkey. So I really feel that they're fair here, HR and management, and they really do take care of their employees and care about the culture around here at CURT. It gives me a good sense of feeling every day that I leave here, knowing that I'm putting together orders that are getting ready to get shipped out, and I'm doing it at 100% the best of my ability, and to make the customer happy that when they receive the product.